I chose to go to Ranken for a few different reasons. I had a few people I know who graduated from Ranken and gave me good recommendations. Also because when I was looking into trade schools, Ranken set themselves apart with a lot more hands-on experience.
Showing up every day and not sitting behind a computer or not sitting behind a desk all day and just being able to walk in, do what you need to do, learn with your hands, basically feel what you see on paper, which you can't find at every university.
I mean, it makes the program. Being able to apply yourself and actually learn. You get something by paper and you get something by watching somebody, but putting your hands on something really makes the program. You know what I mean? Like, the actual understanding there makes a really big jump between the two.
Of all the schools I toured, they had the most comprehensive and in-depth program. Just walking through the shop my first time, I remember thinking how we had a better variety of equipment, and I think the topics covered were more varied and we were also able to get a little more in-depth on them.
As an instructor, I'm regularly talking to the leaders in our industry and just giving unfiltered, straight feedback to me on what I need to be doing and what my students need to be learning. And we're able to make changes very quickly as the industry evolves and make sure that our students are definitely up to date with what the industry currently needs at any given moment.
My favorite thing here at Ranken is definitely the instructors.
I like how they hold us accountable, how they expect us to do our best, and how they really want that from us.
Having the standards we have sets us up well, I think, for the professional environment.
It kind of builds that habit of showing up on time, showing up prepared, and showing up ready to do what you need to do.
I received a phone call from one of my ex-coworkers or colleagues who's now actually a manager of one of the local businesses, and we have one of our students performing an internship there. He just called to let me know how well our student was doing and how thankful he was that we were providing these interns for them. And they just basically want to take all the interns I can give them from here on out.
I really like the internship. I like that you are able to go and make money.
The way we have it laid out, it's kind of an 8-week on, 8-week off thing. So half our semester we spend in the classroom, and then the other half we spend on the job.
So you work in a classroom, you work with your instructors, you get certifications, you take tests, you do the schooling part of it, and then for the other 8 weeks, you do the work part of it. So that way you kind of earn experience that goes in your field.
And it is a paid internship, and it is part of the grade, so there's evaluations that are based off their performance. Because of this internship and because of the demand for our interns, our students already have jobs when they graduate. So even though Ranken has a 98% job placement rate, I would say that our department has a 100% job placement rate.
I mean, we have companies lining up to try to get a shot at us. The instructors and faculty are very helpful with that too.
Yeah, it's great. Everybody loves me. Like, thank you for giving us these workers, and the employees are like, thank you for getting me this job. Yeah, it's great. It feels really good.